Hello friends, I'm Sujata. Once again, welcome back to my channel. The topic that I'm discussing today is 48 stunning Aglaonema varieties or Chinese evergreen types. Brighten up your home by growing one of the most colorful houseplants. Pick your favorite from these best Aglaonema varieties. Chinese evergreen, the beautiful specimen with white strip green leaves and pale green stems, and is also ranked as one of the top air cleaning plants in the famous NASA list. Burmese evergreen, an ideal choice for low light spaces like offices and homes. This variety stays lush even in minimalistic sun. Red peacock. Its green leaves are designed with pink veins and streaks which makes for alluring houseplant. Keep it in bright light for optimum growth and best display of its colors. Cutlass, blade-like streak green and creamy white foliage with dark green central veins of this plant can bring a vibrant look in both indoors and landscapes. Emerald Bay. Emerald Bay features a fantastic blend of color, edges with a silver gray center. It is more tolerant of low light conditions than other variegated varieties. Harlequin. Harlequin changes its appearance according to light. It stays green with yellow splotches and pink vein in shade, while light makes the leaves take uniform yellow tint with pink hues. Silver Queen. The silver green variegated leaves are lens shaped that look stunning on short stems. The best part of plant is it continues to look gorgeous irrespective of changes in light. Silver King. Silver King has green leaves with silver beaming from the prime vein of the leaf. It survives in dim light areas, rooms with indirect light, hallways, and offices. Maria Christina. It looks similar to Aglaonema silver queen with slightly smaller and dense foliage growth. Also, it is more cold tolerant too. Maria, native to Philippines, it is also popular as Emerald Beauty. Its slow growing variety has deep and light green pattern foliage and is also very easy to care for and maintain. Anemone. If you love your house plants with spotted leaves, then this will win your heart with its dusty pink spots on dark green white leaves. Georgia ruby, an award-winning plant. The plant has mix of dark and light green foliage variegated with chartreuse and dark pink hues. B.G. Freeman. The plant features large leaves with grey, green, and white marking. It is a dependable specimen when it comes to low maintenance and lighting requirements. Black lens. Black lens is a tall, upright variety that displays long and narrow, deep green leaves with the broad strip of silver green streak in the middle of the foliage. Brilliant. Just like the name, the leaves are brilliantly malted with cream white midrib and creamy gray splotches on dark green surface. It also purifies the air and is considered to bring good luck. Cori, the Aglaonema variety, produces charming leaves patterned with silver green feathery stripes on white or cream colored stems. It also has good tolerance to cold. Deborah. Debra foliage has dark green edges and a matching grey green center with veins. This low maintenance variety is ideal for someone who got black thumbs. Amulet Star. Amulet Star has a vigorous growth rate and feature dense multicolor foliage with a mix of dark and light green spots. It is also handles cold very well. Red gold. The cultivator show off its best colors when kept in sunlight, but afternoon shade is must. The leaves have a mix of green, gold, and cream with bottom covered with exceptional shade of red. Cyme aurora. This beautiful aglaonema variety is less common cultivator with bold pink edges on green leaves. It grows upright and tolerates low light conditions and also rounds up as lucky plant according to Feng Shui. Abujan. A rare specimen, it is a tough plant that has long and wide camouflage foliage with green spotches. It is quite tolerant of shade, which makes it great for low lit rooms. Amelia. Amelia is another beautiful variety with variegated dark green, silver gray leaves. The dense foliage can bring tremendous beauty to the corners with the minimalistic demands. Cumutatum. The evergreen perennial resembles a pumpkin in look. It native to northeastern Celebes and grows up to 1 to 2 feet in height. Pichum tricolor. The plant is mainly found in Nias and Sumatra's islands. It is slow growing subtropical plant that has the shiny leaves with astonishing colors. Tigress. The long foliage make for a bushy indoor plant and has olive green colored leaves with green white stripes are from where the plant derives its name. Wishes. This variety stands out because of its foliage with shades of pink to red color leaves. This cultivator makes for excellent houseplant. It is one of the best aglaonema varieties. Chocolate. This dark green color plant has light pink to red color veins that needs very little or no maintenance. Chocolate is one of the darker aglaonema varieties. Cutlass, with its long, slim leaves and shade of a blade, Cutlass really seems to be living up to its name. The color of the foliage is pale silver green with marking in dark green. Rotundum. It is a decorative plant with many interesting varieties to choose from. From best colors, keep it as a spot where it can get bright in direct light. Pink moon. It is an attractive plant that tolerates low light conditions. The freckles and spots of pink and white on the foliage make it quite stunning. Lady Valentine. While most of the varieties are found in shades of green, the Lady Valentine comes in the shade of pink. The cure is similar to the green counterparts with minimal differences. White rain. Aglaonema white rain offers attractive variegated foliage with a white cream colored stem that flows through the leaf center. Golden Madonna. It has a cream colored stem with green and gold spotted foliage. Madonna makes and gold spotted an excellent house plant, especially for tabletops. Spring snow. Aglaonema spring snow is mostly known for its beautifully patterned leaves in white and green that grow comparatively taller over time. This plant is easy to care for. Favinoin, the Chinese evergreen variety, is another easy to care for plant. It looks stunning with pink splashed leaves having green edge. Emerald Beauty, Aglonema emerald beauty is good for low light. It looks attractive with spots of light green and white on the foliage. Pink Dalmatian, Aglonema pink Dalmatian grows just about anywhere in the house or outdoors. As the name suggests, it has a pink spots and splashes all over the leaves. Green papaya. The plant looks stunning thanks to its lime green colored leaves and bright pink stems. The color retains its vibrancy and depth in every growing season. Atta rose, with green colored edges and freckles on leaf in hues of red pink, it makes for a great indoor plant. The elegant variety of Aglonema gets a pink hue when placed in low light. Golden fluorite. This variety features green leaf edges, stems, and veins. Also, the leaves have splashes of golden green, pink, and yellow. Diamond Bay. If you love houseplants with white hues, then it is it. The foliage has a wide band of white with a dark green hue on either side. Butterfly. It is a drought tolerant, hardy plant that is low on maintenance and also acts as a purifier. The leaves look like have been painted by an artist. Leprechaun. Leprechaun thrives in a compact form. The leaves have subtle shade of cream that melts beautifully with the green edges of the foliage. Silverado. This variety is popular choice for comparatively dark spaces as the bright splashes of silver white variegation helps to brighten up otherwise shade spots. Gemini, Aglonema gemini is one of the most used varieties with pale silver green color leaves that are medium in size and curl slightly under. Red Sumatra. This variety is mainly grown on the islands of Sumatra, hence the name coming in beautiful shades of red, maroon. It is one of the best aglonemas you can grow. Red Emperor. It is relatively new addition to the houseplant world. This attractive plant show off dark green colored leaves elegantly splashed with bright red. Red emerald. Aglonema red emerald is stunning evergreen perennial variety from Araceae family and is most popular for its distinct red and green colored leaves. So friends, this is all about the topic. Hope you like and enjoy the video. If you like this type of content, then you can subscribe to my channel for more such information. Thank you friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching.